49, large XL. Fast flex na lang ito mga C3 cup na lang. Last few pieces. Letter O, 49. Large XL. Letter Q, 49. 047, large size, 49. Quality, small, medium, quality, 49. Medium to large, A37, 49. Large XL, letter A, 49. A9, A9, 49, medium to large. 22, small, medium, 49. Large XL, 21, 49. Small, medium, cream, 49. Q, sis edit, SSD, sis edit. Thank you, sis.
49, sir.
Small, medium, 80, 49. 28, medium to large, 49. Small, medium, 04349. 64, small, medium, 49. Large size, 62, 49. Large size, puti, 49. Medium, semi-large, 58, 49. Small, med, 27, 49. 16, small, medium, 49. 28 is precious, SSD. Thank you so much. XL, 019, 49. Last na po talaga. Mga 79 na lang to. Ito na lang hindi ko na ulit. Tsaka, konti na lang ang last na po, 79 each po. Nirecap ko lang para sa baka sa mga nakatu pa lang dyan or 3, last flex na po. Small, medium, 23. 23, 49. Ay, sorry, 79. 79 na tayo mga sasama. Napagod na. Large XL. 34. 79. Number 9. 79. Medium to large. Medium to large. 99. 99, 79. Napakaganda. A2. A2, 79. Medium to large. Small, medium, stretchable. A3, 79. Large XL, 97, 79. Pwede nyo i-rewatch yung live mga sis, kaya inuulit ko yan. Para sa mga, feeling nyo kulang pa na inyo. Pwede nyo i-rewatch. A4, 79, medium to large. 66, 79, medium to large. XL, 68, 79. Large XL, 70, 79. Large XL, 49, 79. 52, 79, medium to large. 48, 79, medium to large. 46, 79, large XL. 75, 79, large XL. Large XL, 77, 79. Last few mga serious, large XL, best fit is XL, 78, 79. Small med, Sarah yan. 18. 81 pala. 81, 79. Small medium, 86, 79. 88, small medium, 79. Medium large, 89, 79. 92, 79, medium to large. Up to large din. 93.79. Last na to. 94.79. Medium to large. 95. Small medium. 79. Large XL. 98.79. Large size. 47.79. 0.26. 79. 0.32. Small medium. 79. Number 12, last na to, 49. Okay mga see you again next week for our new collection. Ayan, pawait na lang po sa announcement. Invoice natin tomorrow early morning. Pag nakapag-settle po sila before 12 noon, magpapaship din po tayo tomorrow, okay? And then, pick up po, 10 onwards, pwede na. Ayan. Thank you so much. God bless. See you again next week. Ayan. Pwede po mag-pick up bukas para sa mga, ayan, sakto sa mga walang pasok. Kasi holiday. Okay? Thank you po. Pwede mag-watch ng live, mga